went to your house last night, and nobody was home.
That's because I was out. I spent the evening with my mother.
The same mother that lives on a farm?
The very one.
You spent the evening with your mama.
Absolutely.
What a good son.
I do my best.
So what did you and your dear sweet mommy do?
I took my mother to a cockfight.
You took your mother to a cockfight?
Certainly. She loves them. She bets on the biggest cock.
The biggest cock?
Sometimes she brings her own cock.
You're trying to tell me that your mother has a cock?
Absolutely. It's the biggest cock I've ever seen.
Okay. I happen to know that your car is in the shop.
And what of it?
How did you and your mother get to the cockfight?
We rode my mother's ass into town.
You rode your poor mother's ass into town?
Of course we did. It's a big ass.
I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Calm down now.
That's no way to treat your mother's ass.
If you saw the way it moved, whoa. Sometimes we even raise her ass. How much money you got?
$5?
You want a piece of the ass?
You're trying to sell me a piece of your mother's ass?
Don't get excited.
Who's getting excited?
Take it easy now.
All right. You rode your mother's ass all the way into town because your mother wanted to go see a couple of cocks fight because she likes to bet on the biggest cock. Sounds like you had a great time.
Well, we did, until the end of the night. And then Tabby got stuck in a tree.
Tabby?
Yes, Tabby.
Tabby, huh? Don't tell me. That's what she calls her pussy.
What did you say?
I said that's what she calls her pussy.
No, you pervert. Tabby's the name of a cat.
Hey, good morning, people. My friends, my family, my haters. We're near the end of the year. It's getting closer and closer. And this week is Thanksgiving. And we gotta learn how to live together, love each other, and respect one another. In a world, this is like, it comes at the end of the year. It's always like that at the end of the year. It's not gonna happen, but hey, you always want it to be, you know what I'm saying? You always wish it can be. But there's always somebody that's a hater, there's somebody that doesn't want it to be. The haters everywhere. YouTube, haters, even YouTube people, even people who work at YouTube are haters, and some of your friends are haters, so-called friends, family haters. But you know what? I think if you didn't have haters in this world, it would be a dull world, because you can't have all good either. For every good, you have to have a bad. For every positive, you have to have a negative. For every on is off. Everything is in and out, up and down. Everything has an opposite, negative, positive. You know what I'm saying? Everything has an opposite. Anyway, but where was I going with this? I don't know. Screw that. I'm not gonna get into no soft shit right now. I had you going, right? Yeah, but it's true, There's always gonna be haters. So you gotta do the best you can. Stay positive, as much as you can. Do what you want to do when you want to do it. And screw everybody. It's your life. Nobody has to control it. Nobody has to tell you what to do. You support yourself, you take care of yourself, you do what you want to do. Fuck everybody. Anyway, what was I going to say? Okay, fuck that shit. Listen, YouTube is really screwing up, man. Not only did they take away viewers from me, now they're hitting me with infringement on my last video of the opening song. I don't know if you saw it. If you didn't, go check it out. It's vlog number 201, and it's I like to live in America. You know, it was just something funny I did. Doesn't mean nothing. It's to any group. It just happened that the song fit with the video, and they're hitting me with an infringement on I Like to Live in America, or America from the West Side Story, because I didn't. It's copyright, but that's not what they're hitting me for. I used the song America. They're hitting me for a song called Over the Rainbow by Aretha Franklin. How stupid can you be, YouTube? You Google people, YouTube. I'm not using that song, Somewhere Over the Rainbow by Aretha Franklin. I'm using America from the West Side Story. So how could you give me an infringement for the wrong song?
You dumb motherfuckers. It really pisses me off. You're taking views from me, and you know what? It just pisses me off because them stupid assholes take away views from people, and then, you know, they do infringement shit, so stupid, and then, you know what they do? They don't want to talk to you unless you make 75,000 hits a month or something like that, some craziness. You know, that's what pisses me off. That's what pisses me off. They don't even want to know you if you're not up there. If you're a little peon like I am, you know, they don't want to know us. They don't want to know peons. We're nothing to them. You know, they only want to know the big people. There's so much injustice in YouTube. The only reason I use them is because I'm trying to keep a vlog of my life and stuff like that, and things I've done. You know, my family watches it and they laugh. It's not even about getting subs. If I get subs, I'm happy. If I don't, screw it, man. Screw it. You know what I'm saying? You can't make people like you if you can't make people like you. You know, you tell them, press thumbs up, press thumbs up, press thumbs up, press thumbs up. It's not gonna work. They're not gonna do it because you know what? I'm not a price. I'm an old man. Me and Joe old men, so they don't like us. So they don't listen to us. You know, our humor's not good enough for them. They just want pranks. Come on, man. Come on. Give us a break here. Jesus Christ, man. Come on. Stop subbing to people. Be nice, man. Stop hating.
Oh, God. Anyway, listen. I'm going to continue the vlog later on. I just want everybody to have a happy Thanksgiving, which I'll tell you like on Wednesday or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Help feed the homeless, man. Help feed the homeless if you can. Give them a couple of dollars, man. You see somebody out there, ain't got nothing, give them a couple of dollars, man. Ain't going to hurt your pocket. It'll come back 10 times, man. 10 times. Trust me, it will. All right, guys.
It's just one more way of reducing your liberty and reminding you that they can fuck with you anytime they want. As long as you put up with it. As long as you put up with it. Which means, of course, anytime they want. Because that's what Americans do now. They're always willing to trade away a little of their freedom in exchange for the feeling, the illusion of security. What we have now is a completely neurotic population obsessed with security and safety and crime and drugs and cleanliness and hygiene and germs. There's another thing. Germs. Where did this sudden fear of germs come from in this country? Have you noticed this? The media constantly running stories about all the latest infections, salmonella, E. coli, hantavirus, bird flu, And Americans they panic easily, so now everybody's running around scrubbing this and spraying that and overcooking their food and repeatedly washing their hands, trying to avoid all contact with germs. It's ridiculous, and it goes to ridiculous lengths. In prisons, before they give you a lethal injection, they swab your arm with alcohol. It's true. It's true. It's true. Well, they don't want you to get an infection. And you can see their point. Wouldn't want some guy to go to hell and be sick. It would take a lot of the sportsmanship out of the whole execution. Fear of germs, why, these fucking pussies. You can't even get a decent hamburger anymore. They cook the shit out of everything now because everybody's afraid of food poisoning. Hey, where's your sense of adventure? Take a fucking chance, will you? You know how many people die in this country from food poisoning every year? 9,000. That's all. It's a minor risk. Take a fucking chance, bunch of goddamn pussies. Besides, what do you think you have an immune system for? It's for killing germs. But it needs practice. It needs germs to practice on. So listen. If you kill all the germs around you and live a completely sterile life, then when germs do come along, you're not going to be prepared. And never mind ordinary germs, what are you going to do when some super virus comes along that turns your vital organs into liquid shit? I'll tell you what you're going to do. You're going to get sick, you're going to die, and you're going to deserve it because you're fucking weak and you got a fucking weak immune system. Now, all right, God damn it. Hey. All right. Let me tell you a true story about immunization, okay? When I was a little boy in New York City in the 1940s, we swam in the Hudson River, and it was filled with raw sewage, okay? We swam in raw sewage, you know, to cool off. And at that time, the big fear was polio. Thousands of kids died from polio every year. But you know something? In my neighborhood, no one ever got polio. No one, ever. You know why? Because we swam in raw sewage. It strengthened our immune systems. The polio never had a prayer. We were tempered in raw shit. So personally, I never take any special precautions against germs. I don't shy away from people who sneeze and cough. I don't wipe off the telephone. I don't cover the toilet seat. And if I drop food on the floor, I pick it up and eat it. I eat it. Yes, I do. Even if I'm at a sidewalk cafe in Calcutta, the poor section, on New Year's morning during a soccer riot. And you know something? In spite of all that so-called risky behavior, I never get infections. I don't get them. I don't get colds. I don't get flu. I don't get headaches. I don't get upset stomachs. And you know why? Because I got a good, strong immune system, and it gets a lot of practice. My immune system is equipped with the biological equivalent of fully automatic military assault rifles with night vision and laser scopes. And we have recently acquired phosphorus grenades, cluster bombs, and anti-personnel fragmentation mines. So, when my white blood cells are on patrol, reconnoitering my bloodstream, seeking out strangers and other undesirables, if they see any suspicious-looking germs of any kind, they don't fuck around. They whip out the weapons, they wax the motherfucker, and deposit the unlucky fellow directly into my colon. Into my colon. There's no nonsense. There's no Miranda warning. There's none of that 3 strikes and you're out shit. First defense, bam, into the colon you go. And speaking of my colon, I want you to know I don't automatically wash my hands every time I go to the bathroom, okay? Can you deal with that? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. You know when I wash my hands? When I shit on them. That's the only time. And you know how often that happens? Tops, 2-3 times a week, tops. Maybe a little more frequently over the holidays, you know what I mean? And I'll tell you something else, my well-scrubbed friends. You don't always need a shower every day. Did you know that? It's overkill. Unless you work out or work outdoors or for some reason come in intimate contact with huge amounts of filth and garbage every day, you don't always need a shower. All you really need to do is to wash the 4 key areas: armpits, asshole, crotch, and teeth. Got that? Armpits, asshole, crotch, and teeth. In fact, you can save yourself a whole lot of time if you simply use the same brush on all 4 areas.
Yeah. So anyway, I've been sitting at home, on the computer looking to do. I gotta buy some. What am I buying? My wife is bugging the shit out of me about buying a new kitchen set. You know what I'm saying? Because I bought this kitchen set with wooden, with metal, with metal frame and shit like that, and the chairs are, bro, the fucking shit falls apart. The screws come out of it. It's a pain in the fucking ass, man. It makes shit worthless. I'm telling you, man. And so, I mean, we still have the set, you've seen it. If you look back on my vlogs, you'll see it. It's a good set, but man, it's fucking, I get tired of screwing them screws in all the time. They don't want to go in no more. I'm scared I'm gonna fall out on fucking chairs. They're just like wobbling now. So she wants to get that. She wanted a settee, but that's too big, man. You can't put that in the kitchen. It's one of those high chairs, it's like looks like a couch. You can't put that in the fucking kitchen. What's wrong with her? So she finally settled, I had to convince her. Because my wife is OCD, you know what I'm saying? Not obsessive Christmas disorder. She's really got OCD. She's compulsive, man. She's a pain in the ass. Bro, and you know what? She's going to have she has carpal tunnel. She's going to get operated in the next 2 weeks. I think December 8th. And then she's going to be home for 2 weeks. I'm going to have to go away or something, man. Jeez. It's going to be something. Because she's going to drive me nuts. And she's getting that forgetful shit. Oh. Anyway, so I'm going to go to Ashley Furniture right now and see if I can order, those kind of like, they got the bench type, wraps around the corner and shit, the bench and the wooden table with the other chairs, something like that. I want to look at something like that, but something nice, not this wooden bench. I want like something with cushions and shit, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so I'm here. I'm going to go make some coffee right now. Just what time is it? It's 4:05. This is the time I have my cookies and milk. It's actually coffee and cake or something, I always do that shit. I'm like a kid, man. I had my little nap a little while ago. I'm doing good. I took a shit shower and shave. And that's it. What can I say? Let me get my coffee. Hey guys, how you doing? Here it is, Wednesday. It's Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving, and the holidays are here. They're upon us. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm gonna go shopping right now. I gotta pick up a few things before Turkey Day. I gotta head to my sister-in-law's house tomorrow, and because just family thing, it's not like a lot of people. Thinking of my brother, my sisters, my sons, my daughter, my grandchildren, my nieces, my nephews, everybody. And I give thanks for all of them, because they're still here. Too bad my parents aren't still here, But I give thanks to my wife, my family. Like I said, my family. They're still all around. I love them all. And for you guys, I give thanks. I don't have a lot of viewers, a lot of subs, but the ones I have, I communicate with a lot of them. They're good people. Some more than others because you have to comment for me to talk to you. But neither here nor there. It's the holidays. And just I give thanks for for everything that I've got and I don't have. And I've shared among the year, help people out and things as much as I can. I'm only one person, but I wish I could do more. But hey, I'm on Social Security. Anyway, listen, I'm gonna head to the store now. I'm gonna close this vlog out. I just wanted to tell you that I appreciate all you guys out there, the ones that watch my videos and the ones that don't. I think and I would just appreciate the ones that comment and the ones that don't, and I appreciate the ones that like and the ones that don't like, because without you guys, I don't exist. I would have stopped this a long time ago. But I guess there's a need out there. Listen, for my brother and I. In fact, where is my brother? I don't know. He'll probably pop up somewhere. Anyway, listen, for my brother and I, we love you guys. And I guess we'll see you in a few days. Because tomorrow's Turkey Day, we're going to enjoy it, spending with family and stuff, and that's it. All right, guys, have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in a few days. Ciao for now.
Smoking is no good for you. Hey, I just went to see my doctor. She gave me a clean bill of health. Now I can go to Atlantic City and drop up $25,000 without getting a heart attack. I'm only playing. I'm too stingy for that. You know me. If it's free, it's me.
Will you look at that? Look who came out of the woodwork. It's Joe.